Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, EG, and NEET aspirants. Today, we are going to discuss an essential aspect of exam preparation, creating a personalized study schedule. Narrator: a well-designed study schedule can help you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and cover all the necessary topics. Let's explore some valuable tips to create a personalized study schedule for your exam preparation. First, let's understand the importance of creating a study schedule. 1. Structure and discipline. A study schedule provides structure and discipline to your preparation. It ensures that you allocate dedicated time for each subject and topic, avoiding procrastination and last-minute cramming. 2. Efficient time management. By creating a study schedule, you can prioritize your study time effectively. Allocate more time to challenging subjects or topics that require additional practice, while ensuring you cover all subjects consistently. Student planning their study schedule using a calendar or digital planner. Now, let's explore some steps to create an effective study schedule. 1. Assess your available time. Evaluate your daily routine and identify the time slots available for studying. Consider your other commitments, such as school, extracurricular activities, and personal time. 2. Set realistic targets. Be realistic about how much you can accomplish in a day. Break down your study goals into manageable chunks and allocate sufficient time for each subject and topic. 3. Prioritize difficult subjects. Start your study sessions with the most challenging subjects or topics. This way, you'll have fresh energy and concentration to tackle complex concepts. Create a balanced schedule. Ensure a balance between subjects by alternating between different subjects or topics throughout the day. This approach keeps your study sessions engaging and prevents monotony. Student following their study schedule and using timers or productivity apps. To make the most of your study schedule, consider incorporating these techniques. Pomodoro technique. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you study for a focused 25-minute interval, followed by a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. Productivity apps. Leverage productivity apps such as Forest, Focus at Will, or Tomato Timer to stay focused and avoid distractions during study sessions. These apps provide timers, ambient sounds, and goal tracking features. Student appears confident and organized, following their study schedule. By creating a personalized study schedule and adhering to it consistently, you'll optimize your exam preparation and ensure comprehensive coverage of all subjects and topics. Call, WhatsApp for further assistance. 7738955562. If you need help in creating a study schedule or have any questions about effective time management, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective note-taking techniques to enhance your learning and revision process.